Now this is the chapter number 3, linear equation in two variable. Now this is the standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where condition apply ABC belongs to R and A and B is not equal to 0 at the same time. Now this is my chapter number 4. We have already studied the quadratic equation. Here why it is called the quadratic? Because the maximum power is 2. So we can say this is the quadratic equation. But now here you can see this is my power 1 and the 1. So there are three different parts. Linear equation in two variable. Two variable means what? Here you can see this is my x and this is my y. So now there are two variable. Linear means what? Here the maximum power is the 1. So we can say this is a linear and is equal to 0. So we can say this is the equation. So there are three combination. Linear equation in two variable. Now what is the mean by the roots or the solution of the equation? Here the value of the x and the y which satisfied the equation is known as the roots of the equation. Means the different value of the x and y, when we put into this equation, then it satisfied the equation, then it is known as the roots or the solution of the equation. Here there are three different methods, just like that. Chapter number 4. Here again three methods. Substitution method, second is the elimination method, and third is the cross multiplication method. Now we will start the second, and that is the elimination method. Now these are the equation and I want to solve them by the elimination method. Now this is my equation number 1, x plus 3y is equal to 6, and second 2x minus y is equal to 5. Elimination means what? I want to go for the cancellation. For that purpose there are two conditions must. First of all, the sign must be opposite. Suppose in this case I want to eliminate the y. Here the first condition already fulfilled because both the signs are opposite. Here plus, in minus. That means okay. What about the second condition? Coefficient must be same. Here the coefficient of the y is equal to 3 and here the coefficient of y is equal to 1. I want here 3. So I want to multiply by 3 here. And now I want to write down the instruction. Multiply equation number 2 with 3 and take their addition. If the sign are opposite, then I want to write down this condition, addition. And if the sign will be same, at that time I want to write down this subtraction. Now here first no change at all. X plus 3y is equal to 6. I want to multiply 3 2s are 6x. Here minus 3y and here 5 3s are 15. Now here both get cancellation. Here 6 plus 1 gives me 7x and is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 by 7, and after the cancellation I have the x is equal to 3. Now whatever the value of the x I want to replace in any equation. Suppose I want to write down. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. First of all I want to write down the equation. Here x plus 3y is equal to 0. Instead of this x I want to replace 3. Therefore 3 plus 3y is equal to 6. Now this 3 goes that side. Here 3y is equal to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 gives me 3. That means 3y is equal to again 3. And this got denominator. The final answer we have 3 upon 3. And they get cancelled. And finally I have y is equal to 1. So I want to write down here again into box particular x and y is equal to 3 and 1. And this is my final answer. Means what? Whatever the value of x and y when we replace in any equation, then we have the satisfied answer 6 and 5. Now this is my same sum. In this case I want to eliminate the x. Here again both the condition must be fulfilled. Here you can see the first condition, signs are opposite, no. Here both are positive, okay. And second number, coefficient must be same. Here 2 is there, means what, I want to multiply by 2 here, and that is the condition. Multiply equation number 1 with 2 and take their subtraction. Here when the both sign are plus plus or minus minus, at that time I want to write down the subtraction. And if they are opposite, then I want to write down the addition. Here after the multiplication, 2x plus 3 2s are 6y and 6 2s are 12. Equation number again no change at all. When you go for the subtraction, then left the one line. Here plus, then I want to change the sign. Here minus, then here plus, here minus. Now you can see here 2x plus and get minus cancellation. Here 6y plus y gives me 7y. And 12 minus 5 gives me the 7. Here I want to make the subject y is equal to 7 by 7, and after the cancellation I have the 1. Now whatever the value of the y I want to replace in any equation. Now put y equal to 1 in equation number 1. First of all I want to write down the equation. X plus 3y is equal to 6. Instead of this y, I want to write down the 1. Here x again no change at all. 3 into 1 and here is equal to 6. Now x and plus 3 ones are 3 and 6. Now this 3 goes that side. X is equal to 6 minus 3 and final I have x is equal to 3. Now put into this separate box. Here x and y is equal to, be careful, here is the y, don't write y and 3. Here write down 3 and 1 because I want to give the priority. Here 3 and here 1. In this case also you can see here the answer must be same. You can eliminate the y or the x, but the answer finally is 100% same.